Learning how to drop in can be very fun, but also very scary. In this video, I'm going to teach you what I think is the easiest way to learn how to drop in on any size ramp. It doesn't matter if it's a 10-foot vert ramp or a 2-foot bank, concept's going to be the same. It's going to be a lot scarier at first on a bigger ramp, but if you learn it on a smaller ramp, there's no reason why you can't do it on any size ramp afterwards. So all I'm going to do, sit my tail down on the coping. Right now I have 100% of my weight on my back foot, and what I want to do is get these front wheels to touch the cement as quickly as possible. This is what a drop in should look like. Look at the obstacle you want to drop in on, put the tail down, look where you want to go, make these front wheels touch, and lean forward 100%. If you've never dropped in on a ramp before, you're going to want to start on flat ground. It's going to look like this. Just pretend that you have some coping or the top of a ramp or a bank. You're just going to put your back foot on the tail. You're just going to practice doing this. It's going to feel really silly and kind of dumb, but this is the basis for dropping in. 100% weight on your back foot, lean forward, make those front wheels touch, and you just dropped in on flat ground. Next, you're going to want to try to find a bank, not a quarter pipe that curves, but just a slope. You're going to put the tail on the top of it, and it's just like flat ground. You're going to look where you want to go. You're going to put 100% of your weight on your front wheels. It's going to go from 100% weight on your back foot, and you're just going to switch. You can't lean too far forward. I'll even try to do too far forward. The most common mistake people make is they get scared and they just can't commit and they do something like this. And if that's on a quarter pipe, you're going to fall on your butt. So just lean forward. You can't mess this up if you just lean forward. Just try to smash those wheels into the cement. Bam! Just lean forward. Go! When you're comfortable dropping in on banks, you're going to want to try to find a quarter pipe that looks something like this. This is about 2.5 to 3 feet tall maybe. It has coping. It's not too steep. This is a nice ramp to learn how to drop in on. Same concepts apply. Back foot on the tail. Just lean forward and commit. You just got to not be afraid on this one. Go. You're going to want to drop in on a ramp like this hundreds of times, because this is where it went from a bank to a quarter pipe, and you have that curved radius with the coping, and this is where it really starts to feel like a drop in. So you're going to want to do this a lot and just really drill it into your brain and get that muscle memory programmed before taking it to a bigger ramp. All right, here we go. So it is. I'm gonna do it one more time. So it is. All right, give me some. Thank you. After you've dropped in a bunch and you feel comfortable, I recommend just dropping in on everything, whether it be a steep bank, a mellow bank, a quarter pipe, even something like this. I'm not sure how deep this bowl is. I'm guessing 10 feet. I think that's safe to say. It's the biggest thing I could find. I'm a little afraid, but I'm just gonna do it. Don't be afraid. 1, 2, 3, go! Not gonna lie, that was a little intimidating, but I'd be a hypocrite if I'm teaching people how to drop in and didn't do a big drop in myself.